So what is the magical power of minimalism? Minimalism indeed possesses magical powers, that of making you distinguish between necessary and unnecessary, and the power of achieving your goals. The powers of helping you separate your needs from your wants, again, helping you achieve your goals. The powers of realizing what matters to you and what is just pointless. And the ultimate power to then focus on only adding the things, people, activities, and ideas into your life that truly matter and getting rid of everything else. Research has shown that noise, for instance, causes elevated levels of stress hormones like cortisol that are naturally produced by the human body. These elevated levels can lead to hypertension, heart disease, and sleeplessness. Just taking 10 minutes per day to rest, relax, and meditate, or whatever word you use for it, is enough to focus your mind and body to a more calming state. We live in a noisy world. How many of us own noise-canceling headphones or earplugs or some other device designed to drown out the noise around us? We instinctually know that prolonged exposure to noise is detrimental to our health. In a minimalist lifestyle, we take time to pay attention to ourselves because we have made room for that time. We listen to ourselves and fulfill our needs first, before our wants, continuing to propel us toward our higher good and our goals. One study found mindful meditation reduces stress and keeps your brain younger looking and functioning. Meditation also reduces activity in the brain's me center. While other studies have determined that mindful meditation decreases activity in the brain's default mode network, DMN. This area is responsible for the monkey mind chatter, the wandering mind, and thoughts based more in self-referential focus. It also reduces anxiety and improves concentration and attention. All of these factors are the benefits of living a minimalist lifestyle. They come naturally to a minimalist because they fit well into the mantra. They are necessities that our non-minimalist society has helped us push to the fringe in favor of the distractions like TV and cell phones, social networks, and excessive living, all of which will be discussed in later chapters. Following a minimalist lifestyle does not mean you shun away everything you receive or start throwing out things from your house. Contrary to the misconceptions surrounding minimalism, that it is about living a frugal life and preferring cheap things to expensive ones. Minimalism is actually about sticking to everything that adds value, convenience, and meaning to your life. If buying a laptop worth $5,000 adds value to your life because your work depends on it and you are passionate about your work, there is no reason why you shouldn't invest in it. At the same time, you need to become more conscious of some other things you own that are holding you back and not adding meaning to your life. It could be the unused appliances in your kitchen or the heaps of clothes in your wardrobe that you bought ages ago that still have the price tag attached. When you prioritize your actual needs over things you do not really need, but have accumulated to please others or after falling trapped to media biases, you rid yourself of the need to please people around you, follow the league of others, and live an artificial life. You then start doing everything that you truly wanted. For example, there are minimalists who travel the world and invest their savings in visiting exotic locations, but they do not buy cars because paying its installments, investing in its maintenance, and keeping it safe adds stress to their life. By not investing in a car, they spare themselves extra tension and pressure and free up room in their mind and home to use for something better, something that provides their life with more meaning and fulfillment. Essentially, minimalism is the calmness in our chaotic world.